What's going on, guys? I'm Roadmaster, and today we're doing another Project Silver 2 valve. Today we are removing the dash and replacing it with a black one, a charcoal one. Now, the reason I'm recording this right here is because I'm editing the video right now, as you can currently see, and I realized that the audio is kind of messed up in some places, and the intro is just unusable. So I'm making this one to fill you in. This is not a tutorial. We had no idea what we were doing. We were following a PDF, which is linked in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I did not film a step-by-step tutorial, so I just kept doing updates, and yeah, that's really all. That's really all this video is. It's not even 5 minutes long. I mean, it will be after I add this intro, but. Another thing I wanted to touch upon too is that the clip you're about to see after this one, this is going at the beginning of the video, the clip you're seeing is we already removed the center console, and so I'm just explaining what we did and how to remove it. So yeah, that's the next clip so you guys aren't confused. So with that, let's get on with the video. On the situation here, so we got the center console out. See, it was kind of a bit of a challenge, but not too hard. I'll show you right here. You had to take two bolts off. One was right here, and my tab's completely broken. So one was right there, and one was on this side, and those were connected right up here. One here and one here. And as you can see, my brass copper thing fell off. So let's push that back. So when you guys taking this dash out, you're going to want to unscrew or undo this shield on the e-brake here, because that will allow you to have more room, and the e-brake will be able to go up all the way. So you have to make sure the e-brake is like all the way up as high as you can go, and then you have to press this little mechanism in here so it can go up even higher, so you can get the boot off of it. And that's how you take the center console out. And there's also two screws at the bottom of the center console to unscrew. Those are 7mm. All these are 7mm bolts. So it's not too hard, just a little bit time consuming. So the first thing we are doing to pull the dash is that we are getting all the trim pieces off. So we are going, Mike is working on removing this piece right here under the steering column. And there's a plate behind there with two screws we have to remove. And I think I'm going to start removing this stuff for the center console dash. And my phone just fell out of my pocket. So, yeah, we're going to start doing that. And then we'll let you guys know what happens next. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a lot of progress done. I'm going to go to the driver's side. We did take the driver's seat out just so we had more room to lay underneath. But as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. If I hop in here, we have no steering column, that is right there, and we took the kick plate out, disconnected all of those. It was a lot of disconnecting and a lot of clips and a lot of bolts, but we're getting there. Yeah, we have done a lot since the last clip, so I'm sorry for that, but it's just we're just full concentrate mode on this. And yeah, so that's why this is not a tutorial. So do not follow this. I will link the PDF down below to what we are following to do this, because it's actually quite thorough. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna keep hammering this out, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I know it's gonna be like a 5-minute video, and it should be more like a 10 because of how long this is taking. But yeah, it's just hard work. You can't get the camera under here while you're working, so you gotta really concentrate. So alright, that's another update. Another quick update for you guys here. We got the air conditioning stuff disconnected, air conditioning and heat, and we are just removing, there's 3 bolts up there to be removed. Some bolts down here, you guys can't see it because it's completely dark, but there's 2 bolts by the trans tunnel, and on both sides there's a 15mm right up here, right there, and that's on both sides too, I think. Yep, it's on both sides. And This thing is really close to coming out. We just got couple more little things to do, couple more bolts, nuts, and we have one wire that we still have to disconnect. So yeah, I'm excited. Almost done, halfway there. Alright guys, one more update. This is the last update for tonight. As you can see, we made some pretty good. Actually, you can't see because there's no light. Hold on a minute. Alright, so as you can see, we got a pretty decent amount of work done, and this is where we're going to stop. We got most of the bolts out. We just have a little bit more stuff to do, and it involves taking off the front wheel. So we're going to save that for another day. It's already 7:55 right now. Yeah, so he's got to go. That's why we're stopping, and we should have it done in a couple of days. And I will pick up. I mean, for you guys, it's gonna be the next clip, but I'm gonna pick up this video in a couple of days when we start working on it again. Alright guys, so update. It's another day, and I really don't remember what the last clip I recorded was, because it's been so long. So I'm just gonna show you the progress we made. I decided not to record like anything today because we just wanted to hurry up and get it done, because I've been waiting for this for a week and a half now, and that's the last time we worked on it. It was a week and a half ago. So as you can see, the new dash is indeed in. Sorry for the sun glare. The new dash is in. So yeah, that means it's almost done. We just gotta get the steering column in. Sorry about I'm trying to block the sun. Okay, there we go. We just gotta get the steering column in, and obviously button up some stuff like the middle here. Like, yeah, we gotta block up like the middle there, button that up, and other than that, it's good. Got the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel from the parts car that I got all the stuff from. So I got the skin taken off of that. That's what you want to call it, the covers. And it is installed onto Silver 2 valves steering wheel column. The reason we can't use this steering wheel column is because I have a key for this one and the car, and that key will not work with this steering column like it would with this one. So that's why, and I don't want to mess anything up. So we're using all of.
Which one? Tom Hughes or Uncle Tom?
Excuse me.
Sorry,
Siri. So yeah, so I switched everything over, and I want to use all of the Silver 2 valve's original parts. And like the dash, we did not just drop in a new dash. We actually took the old dash out, which is laying right over there, which I will show you guys. Took the old dash out, took the skeleton with all the wiring harnesses and stuff, took that off of the shell, which is over there, and put the black one. Actually, I can show you the shell. The shell is this thing right here by my garbage. So we took the black dashboard off of this and took this dashboard off of the one that was already in the car, and we just put the black dashboard onto Silver 2 valve's original skeleton for it. So that's how we did that. It was pretty tedious. Took us about an hour to do. Me and Mike. Yeah, it took us about an hour, and it was pretty tedious because you had to make sure everything was lined up, make sure no cords are getting pinched and stuff like that. So be sure, if you're going to do this yourself, make sure that you are 100% sure everything is connected, because you don't want to have to re-pull the dash back out to reconnect stuff. So I think that is going to be it for this video. I think next video will be buttoning up the steering column and installing that, and then maybe just buttoning up everything else. Maybe the center console. I do have to switch the wiring harness from this to the other center console that I have, because this one has my convertible top button, and I kind of need that because then the top can't go down. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, comment what videos you guys want us to next. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on the roads.